In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install FFmpeg on Windows 11. If you're into video editing, media conversion, or just want a powerful tool for handling multimedia files, FFmpeg is a must-have. So, let's dive right in. First, let's download FFmpeg. Head over to your browser and search for FFmpeg download, or visit the official website at FFmpeg.org. Once there, go to the Download section and choose the Windows version. Click on Windows .exe files. Now, click the Download Builds by BTBN button. Move this side and click on FFmpeg Master Latest Windows 64. The download will start. After the download completes, you'll get a zip file. Go to your Downloads folder, right-click the file, and extract it using tools like WinRAR or 7-zip. Now click to open this. Open bin folder. Now you will find these 3 files. Select all of them and click on Cut. OK. Click to open this PC. Open local disk C. Now right-click, New, Folder. Rename this as FFmpeg. Open the folder and paste the files. Now, this step is crucial. You need to add FFmpeg to your system's path so it works globally from the command prompt. Here's how. First, open your Start menu and search for environment variables. Select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the window that pops up, click Environment Variables. Under the System Variables section, find and click on Path, then click on Edit. Click New. Then move to the folder that we created before. Up here, click to copy address directory. Now paste it here. Click on OK. Again, OK. Finally, let's make sure FFmpeg is installed correctly. Open your command prompt by typing cmd in the Start menu. In the command prompt, type FFmpeg space version and hit Enter. Boom! You've successfully installed FFmpeg on Windows 11. Now you can use it for all your video and audio processing tasks. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.